So guys, today's the day I'm going to pick the winner for these Lasfit floor mats here. I appreciate all you guys' support. I really do. A lot of great feedback on this. Like I said, I wish I can give more of these out, and I will in the future, but for right now, it's just this one set. It was very hard to try to decide who to give it to, so I use this automatic comment picker. So it's just totally random, 100%. I'll do it here so you could see it. But this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the full set here. This is what's included. So I'm going to run this auto generator. So it's going to automatically take all the comments in consideration and pick the winner. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so you can see it here. Comes up as Facebook, but you just go to the right hand corner here and we're going to select YouTube random comment picker. Okay, then you just scroll down. I'm going to put the URL of the video. I'm going to leave all that stuff in place so you can have multiple comments. We'll count. Get YouTube comments. So you can see there's 128 comments. And then all we do is push start. And then it'll run through all the comments. So let's see what it comes up with. So Carlos De Leon, you won the Lasfit floor mats for the Honda Accord. Congratulations. Like I said, it's a fair way. It's 100% random. It just goes through them all and picks somebody at random. So again, I'll be doing these more often. So definitely stay tuned for more giveaways. There's always great stuff coming out. But for all of you that didn't win, remember, here's the code, HondaJohn10, to get 10% off if you still want to pick these up. They're great mats, great quality. I love the construction of them. They have a nice rubberized feel. I highly recommend these mats, especially if you guys live in anywhere where there's snow, a lot of dirt, anything like that. These things will protect your carpets way better than the factory ones. And like I said, even with the 10% off, they're not bad at all as far as pricing. So check the video description for the link and don't forget that code. Again, I appreciate all you guys. I really do. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks again.